Where do I get my Gorilla Tag sound effects from? You might be like, I download them from another video or something like that. You would be wrong. I actually get my sound effects and assets from Ronnie's G-Tag Hub. Because of that, Lucid's G-Tag Hub got banned or something like that. I do not know the whole thing. If you do want to get your sound effects, assets, there will be like the site name would be on screen, like right here. And that's how you can get your Gorilla Tag sound effects. Make sure you subscribe and like, so this can help out other small content creators, just like me, myself. I have 0 subscribers or something like that.